How's it going today? I got another video. Show you how to remove a door panel. I got a 2004 Chevy Silverado. This one's a 2500 HD. It should be the same for 1 ton, 3/4 ton, and half tons. Start by popping this cover off. A bit of a hook on the bottom, slides underneath the door panel and these two tabs. Next I'm going to pop this guy off. Just kind of get him around that handle. Going to remove this cover. Pops up pretty easy. There should be 3 screws. I got one right underneath the bottom, 7mm head, one tucked in behind the handle, and that guy behind that piece we just took off. The long one on the left came from behind the handle here. The short one with the smaller washer head came from right there, and the shorter one with the bigger washer head came from underneath. Now it should be as simple as lifting up and out. You can see there's these hooks on the back of the door panel. They slide into holes like that, so all it is just up and then out. Then next we will unplug everything. It's mostly a matter of just pushing a tab in and then pulling the connectors apart. Door panel comes off super easy. So these guys run up to your mirror, and these guys are the easiest ones. You just push that down and it releases it. This one broken, but it closes by snapping in. Then all you got to do when this arm is not broken, you flip it up and it releases it. Again, the mirror, I mean not the mirror, the tweeter speaker right there, and the door light. Mine was already fallen out, but you can pop them out quite easy. If you're looking to remove the mirror, 3 10mm head bolts, unsnap the wiring from the door, mirror pops off. Super simple. You're going to remove the door handle, pop the rubber grommet out. There's a bolt in there. There's a bolt there, so that's a 2. And then there's 3 tucked up behind inside of this hole. You might have to remove the glass to get access to it, or you can get a wrench up there. It's tight, but I think you could do it for sure. So the door handle out, release the rods. You can see there's this clip that holds that rod in. You want to push it that way to unsnap from here, then the rod just pops out quite easy. So, quick, easy, simple video on how to remove the door panels off these trucks. It should be the same for 99 to 2006. So if you like the video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow along. I'm doing a build on a 1997 Chevy half-ton 4x4, so if you want to follow along with that. And half the reason why I got this truck, because I'm going to be putting the 6-liter into my old Chevy.